In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money playing games. You don't need to be a pro gamer or have any special skills. All you need is a mobile phone and an internet connection. In this video, I'll show you top 5 Play Store Android mobile games. Just play these games in your spare time and get paid for it. We all know that playing video games can be a fun and rewarding experience. But did you know that you can actually make money playing games? Yes, you can. There are a number of ways to do it, and in this video, we're going to explore some of the most popular Android games that actually pay you real money. Stay with me until the end, but before we start, welcome to my YouTube channel Story Insider, where we teach you how to make money online in an easy and simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy, just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. The first Android game is Display, Earn or Donate. Go to the Play Store and download this app and start playing games and earn money when you are free. You can cash out every 3 hours. You can earn around $10 to $20 per day if you play for a long time. You can withdraw cash by PayPal, Amazon gift card, Walmart gift card. 1 million people download this app and earn their passive income. This app has 150K user rating, 4.4 star. You can see the real user reviews here who earn money from this app just playing games. Just download it from Google Play Store and start to earn cash daily. Okay guys, the second app is FunTap, to make money playing games. FunTap has 4.9 star user ratings at the moment. Over 5 million users install and play this app and make money online in their free time. You can earn around $10 to $20 per day if you play for a long time. You can see the real user reviews here who earn money from this app just playing games. Just download it from Google Play Store and start to make money playing games. Okay guys, the third app is 𝗔𝗡𝗢𝗧, make money and play games. 𝗔𝗡𝗢𝗧, make money and play game is a casual mobile application that allows users to make money by playing games. 𝗔𝗡𝗢𝗧 app has 4.9 star user ratings, and 100K plus people around the world downloaded it from Google Play Store and made money with this app. Ever had an alternative job you could do wherever and whenever? Ever needed some PayPal cash and were looking for extra PayPal cash? You can see the real user reviews here who earn money from this app just playing games and doing paid surveys. This real cash app allows you to fetch rewards and earn fast PayPal money. You can earn around $10 to $20 per day if you play for a long time. 𝗔𝗡𝗢𝗧, make money and play game lets you earn quick dollars to your PayPal account. The more you play, the more you earn. Okay guys, the fourth app is Earn Money, Get Paid, Get Cash. Over 1 million users download this Earn Money app. This app has 4.7 user ratings. You can earn money playing games, doing paid surveys, test products, and more. You can see the real user reviews here who earn money from this app just playing games and doing paid surveys. You can withdraw money from this app using your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, just register a new PayPal account and withdraw money from this app. You can earn around $10 to $20 per day if you play for a long time. Okay guys, the last earning money app is Play and Earn Real Cash by 𝗔𝗓𝗓𝗓. Are you looking for real money rewards? Play and Earn is the right place to make money. Looking for big money rewards? Start earning now. Make money from your phone and make an everyday payday. The real cash app that pays you money for playing awesome games. Earn rewards by playing simple games and inviting your friends. Earn coins and convert them to real money. You can earn rewards anytime and from anywhere. Easy and simple. Every day is a chance to win real cash. Simple and easy option for the withdrawal of the accumulated money through the world-famous sites. PayPal, direct transfer to your PayPal account. Coinbase, Amazon, Binance, or other virtual wallets, direct transfer to your accounts. Over 1 million users install and play this app and make money online in their free time. Play and Earn Real Cash by 𝗔𝗓𝗓𝗓 has 4.9 star user ratings at the moment. You can see the real user reviews here who earn money from this app just playing games and inviting friends. Hi guys, if you love this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.